Astaga naga. Astagfirullah. Astagfirullahaladzim.
Kondisi di Buwek Pangkalan Cepe, Sumberjaya, Puting Liung.
Indonesia is mourning again today, Thursday, February 6th, 2025. How could it not be? One of its regions, Bekasi Regency, West Java, has been hit by a natural disaster that damaged residents' homes. It began with heavy rain, and not long after, the roaring sound of a tornado struck at around 4 a.m. today. The strong winds and tornado occurred in Kampung Buwek, Sumberjaya Village, South Tambun Bekasi Regency. The disaster's impact caused roofs made of tiles, asbestos, and lightweight steel to be blown away, creating panic among residents. Some houses even had nearly their entire roofs torn off. The Bekasi Regional Disaster Management Agency, BPBD, recorded that 130 houses in RW28, Sumberjaya Village, South Tambun District, were severely damaged by the tornado. Additionally, several trees were uprooted in the area. May we all be under God's protection. Amen.